to reveal the best in Putolatik costume.
Will receive a sash and cash. Presenting the awards are Dr. BJ Borja and Mr. John Paul De Paz.
And our best in Putolatik costume for Mr. Binyan is candidate number 12, Aaron Alvarez.
Best in Putolatik costume, Miss Binyan. Candidate number 10, Hannah Laderas. Congratulations, Best in Putolatik costume. Una pa lang yan, Andrea. Narito ang ating pangalawang special award, Mr. and Miss Binyan 2026, Best in Talent.
Will receive a sash and cash. Presenting the awards are Dr. BJ Borja and Mr. John Paul De Paz.
And our best in talent for Mr. Binyan is candidate number 9, Carl Dustin Alionar.
Best in Talent, Miss Binyan. Candidate number 2, Althea Pasao. Andrea, last May 17, the candidates of Mr. and Miss Binyan 2026 paraded on the streets of this historic city for the Grand Santa Cruzan. And now, it's time to award the Best in Santa Cruzan, Filipiniana, and Barong Tagalog.
Will receive a sash and cash. Presenting the awards are Dr. BJ Borja and Mr. John Paul De Paz.
And our best in Santa Cruzan for Mr. Binyan. Come back on stage, candidate number 9, Carl Dustin Alionar.
Best in Santa Cruzan, Filipiniana, Miss Binyan, candidate number 9, John Frealis Cordova. Congratulations, Best in Santa Cruz and Filipiniana and Best in Barong Tagalog. Talaga namang, Andrea, na puno ang karsada at ang plaza ng Binyan para sa ating Grand Santa Cruzan that was held last Sunday, May 17.
And let's not even talk about that. Let's talk about now. Punong-puno tayo dito ngayon sa plaza. So, Binyanenses, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa ating mga kandidato at kandidata.
That is right, Andrea. Once again, congratulations to all our awardees tonight. Is only getting